In this video, I show you how I retighten my DIY micro locks using a 4-point rotation. My hair is tapered because I'm growing out my tapered cut, and this is a great way to do it. You may notice that I'm grabbing the root of my hair. It helps me to position the latch hook so I know exactly where it's going in so that it doesn't get caught in the hair and tangle or create knots. Because I am a wife, a mother of 2 little boys, 5 and 3, I work full-time managing a team of technical writers. I'm an author. I don't have a lot of time in my day, so I usually spend about 1 to 2 hours a day retightening it, which means that it took me 2 weeks to install, 2 weeks to do my first retightening, and then 5 days to do the next one. So if you're short on time like me, I really recommend finding someone else to do it for you, and I'm in the process of finding my own. So like, subscribe, and share the video. Thanks. Bye.